Welcome to Ice Open FX. I'm Ezra. In this video, I'll be breaking down from our technical and fundamental to try to understand what we have on this impulsive wave in the market. In doing so, I suggest you stick to the video to the very end. So on this British pounds against US dollar, we have a break of structure, a monthly low that was taken, an old monthly low. That's wonderful, right? That's wonderful. So since we have broken this low, our market has given us a sharp rejection at this area. So from what we learned from last two session, so now let's go to weekly time frame so that we explain it a little. Now look at these two candles right here. They're able to give us not a good body. All right, so this is actually telling you that this coming week we can actually have what a good momentum move, either to the bullish side or to the bearish side. So that means the coming week will be volatile. All right, so if the coming week will be volatile, then you have to what catch that the low of the week. If the market will be bullish, that's the bullish trend, you catch the low of the week. If it will be bearish, you catch the high of the week. And most times high of the week do from Tuesday or Wednesday. All right, so you can actually catch any of them and hold for the till Friday London session. So that is the main thing you have to focus right here. All right, now since market has already taken this old low right here, we will expect what a bearish trading into this range for more down moves. Right here we have a good POI, right there. So since we have this good POI right here, we can actually use it to expect what market to create a range structure on this monthly time frame. So going to weekly time frame, which is this. So from the area I marked, which was basically at this area. So since we have this area as a POI, we can expect a bearish structure from that area, or where price is at the moment, where price gives us the sell at the moment. So this is a BMS on downside right here again, but this little range right here was able to clear this low, so we can actually expect this little range here to create a range structure on monthly time frame. So coming to this weekly time frame, which we see how market was able to grab a little liquidity right here, this high right here, market was able to grab that particular liquidity and traded into this particular candle right here to give us a sell model right here. So here we're expecting market at least to trade into this range to the downside to create a range structure from this particular area. So this is the this is our outlook on this pair for this week. All right, so that is that, and the overall or the average move for this week is bullish. That means the overall move for this week is what bullish trend, because this is the buy move that happened for this week, and we have a sell move that just happened, which is not that strong. So the main move for this week is buy, with the help of news that happened Thursday, Friday. So that is that for this week. So we're expecting more bearish trend at this area where price is, at least to trade if possible to this high. So if market now fail to take this high with this structure move to the upside we are having here, if it failed to use this structure move to take market to the upside, that means the next thing we expect the market to take is this low. So we will surely take the low. So that's that for this pair. Now let's go and see the outlook on this pair. So now on GPP position, we have increasing long position based on the 13 weeks data, a decreasing short position, So the overall that the net position on GPP is what they are reducing the short position for this week. So we can use this week data to calculate what will likely happen in terms of quote data for this coming week. So market at this area, they are reducing short position on GBP. Now on USD, they are decreasing what in long position, decreasing in short position, increasing, that is their overall percent, increasing in long position, decreasing in short position. So the net position right here is what reducing long position. All right, so now the segment for these two is the net position we have here is what they are reducing short position. So since they are reducing short position, this actually shows that last week we have the buyers have upper hand in the market. Buyers have upper hand in the market. So this coming week, if market did not break a structure point for bearish move, we will see more buy move to the upside. So the main idea is that you can wait for market to open on Sunday evening based on my time. Then on Monday, you wait and see how market will trade in London session. After that, if you have a bullish move, at least market can actually work from the high of the week to the upside and from the low of the week to the downside. So that is the main outlook on this GBP USD. So this will support the idea of what we are expecting for this week, which is what a bearish structure from this area. So we expect market to form the high of the day, at least to the upside right here, either this area or at this area, before forming the low of the day to the downside. So that is what we have on this pair on this time frame. So you can wait for confirmation on lower time frame at these two areas for bearish structural move to the downside. So that's that for today's outlook. So good luck, good trading.